How to use the Ask AI browser extension. Want instant answers while browsing without switching tabs? Today I will show you how to use the Ask AI browser extension from iAsk.ai so you can get smart help right from your toolbar. Let's jump in. First, open the Chrome or Edge or Brave web store. Search for askai/iAsk.ai extension. Click Add to Chrome, then add extension when prompted. You will see the Ask AI icon appear next to your address bar. Awesome. Click the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar and click the pin next to Ask AI. That keeps it always visible. Now you are just one click away from AI help. Click the Ask AI icon and you will see a small window. If it asks you to sign in, click Sign in. Enter your Ask AI credentials and log in. Once you are in, you will see a mini search bar, nice and compact. To ask something, click the icon, type or even use voice input if your browser supports it. Your question, then hit enter. The extension will fetch the answer instantly without leaving the page. And that's it. You have got the Ask AI extension ready to help you whenever you browse. Whether you are shopping, researching, or just curious, it's right there, one click away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.